Hello and welcome to Ghana News on YouTube and Facebook. And are you feeling lonely? And are you in Ghana? Do you reside anywhere closer to the beach? Or you know of a beach within your vicinity? Well, don't worry. Nature has its own way of making you happy. Just pick a car or walk to a beachside, sit, listen to the nice tunes, the waves create. It has a form of nice melody that I believe you will love. It will keep you company. Nature is indeed very beautiful. You don't need to go to a nightclub to keep yourself company when nature has it all. And this is so beautiful. Look at how the waves are rolling. It comes but never gets to where you are sitting. If you are a fan of the sea, you can go and sit right at the back, but someone like me, I kind of have some fears, and because I don't want to be carried away by the wind or the waves, I have decided to sit far away from the waves, but I could hear it roll like a lion. God is so marvelous. He created all these within a day, just by the word of mouth. Then it all came. I think there is some kind of forces behind the waves, because when I was standing afar, it wasn't coming so close, but after sitting by and watching it, it has decided to show me some kind of love by coming closer. Oh my God. Look at how the birds are flying over it. It's so nice. I guess the first bird, with their dad, is surveying the environment before the kids. And I guess the wife will come close. This is so lovely. I love to sit by the sea, the ocean. So nice, my Lord. My brother, my dear sister, that your heart breaks. Are you suffering from any form of pain? Don't worry. The sea and its nice melodies is always ready to accept you. Just sit by and listen to the waves. Look around you and watch how beautiful and marvelous the sea looks. But please, do not throw rubbish in us. Some people have just done, because the sea dislikes rubbish. It will throw it up at you when you throw it. When you throw rubbish in the sea. As the old adage goes, it says whatever ball you throw at the wall will surely bounce back at you. My own adage about creating is that when you throw a rubbish or a plastic waste into the sea, since it does not belong there, the sea will definitely throw it back at you. Let's keep the sea clean for lives that lives in the sea to be able to cope and enjoy their habitats. I'm not sure you'll be very happy to see a fish walk into your room and dump plastic waste in your room and then return to the oceans. That will be very, very, very disrespectful. So do not disrespect the oceans. Do not disrespect the fishes in the sea, so they will also not disrespect you at the end of the day. Because I strongly believe it is due to the plastic waste, among other waste you throw into the sea, is what makes it more angrier and then causes it to gorge your houses in the form of tsunami. Let's keep our seas clean. This is a message from Ghana News. If you think my message and my advice is very important to you and it has helped, kindly hit on the thumbs up button below. And if you think it's worth sharing, please, sharing is caring. I'm very sure you care about your friends. Share for your friends to see and watch and get a form of comfort. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much. God bless you. May the Lord keep you safe. Enjoy the 9 seas of